Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Dimas. I'm from Department Economy Business of Persada Indonesia. I will explain about regional demographic condition in the province of Bali. The total population in the province of Bali in 2011 was 3,643,100,000 and 472 people with a population density of 646 people per kilometer 2. The population distribution in Bali province is still based on Buleleng Regency, which is 18.5%, and Denpasar City, which is 14.6%, while the loss is in Kelungkung Regency, which is 5.1%. Meanwhile, in terms of population density, the Regency or city with the highest population density is Denpasar City, with 4,163 people per kilometer, and the loss is Jembrana Regency with a population density of 325 people per kilometer cubes. In terms of the growth rate over the last 10 years, from 2000 until 2010, the province of Bali was 15% higher than the national growth of the national population, 1.49%. Meanwhile, the highest district or city population growth rate was in the Bandung Regency at 4.63%, while the lowest was in Kelungkung Regen 0.94%. Table 4 and 6. Data on regional demographic emission of Bali Province 2011. Number 1, the increase in the population of the population from before 201. The population of Bali increased every year. 2020 record the population of the province of Bali in September 2020 as much as 4 and 32 million people. Compared to the previous census result, the population of Bali province continues to increase in a period of 10 years since 2010. The population of Bali has increased by about 426,65,000 people, or an average of 42 and 66,000 every year. Number 2, Balinese population by gender based on the result of the 2020 population census (SP). For Bali, the population of Bali is 432 million people. In detail, 17 million Balinese are male and 15 million are female. Number 3, Balinese population by age based on a group. The population of productive age from 15 until 64 years on the island of the God reached 3 and 45 million people, or 96% of the total population. This proportion is the highest compared to the other age group. The population of unproductive age from 0 until 14 years in Bali is 893,45,000 people, or the 28% of the total population. Meanwhile, the population whose age is no longer productive, 60 years, 65 years and over, is 353,84,000 people, or 24% of the total population. District in Bali with the most and the fewest population. Buleleng is a regency or city in Bali with the largest population, which is 791 and 81,000 people. The detail as many as 398 216,000 people are male and 368,000 female. Meanwhile, Klukung is the area that has the least population on the island of the gods, which is only 293,000 people. In detail, 165,000 people are male and 126,000 are female. Bali region with the highest education growth. The area with the highest population is Denpasar City with population growth of 2 and 9. With a small area and a large population, Denpasar City is the area with the highest density, which is 2,282 people per kilometer cube. This is very different from Jembrana Agency, which is the area with the smallest population density, the west of Bali, with a density of 328,558 people per kilometer cubic. Number 6. Population. The theory, the survival strategy of entrance in the economy is much better. This resulted in the local population gradually using out, if not managed properly. Population problems in a South Bali region are prone to trigger social conflict. Number 7. Balinese population by generation group. According to the generation group, 9 and 51% of the Balinese population were born in 2000, which is 2,282 people per kilometer cube. This is very different from Jembrana Agency, which is the area with the smallest population density, the west of Bali, with a density of 328,558 people per kilometer cubic. Number 6. Population. The theory, the survival strategy of entrance in the economy is much better. This resulted in the local population gradually using out, if not managed properly. Population problems in a South Bali region are prone to trigger social conflict. Number 7. Balinese population by generation group. According to the generation group, 9 and 51% of the Balinese population were born in 2013 and above, or post-Gen Z. As much as 26.1% of the Balinese population is the Z generation. From 1997 until 2012, 23 and 2 is the millennial generation, is 1981 until 1996, and 24.5% is the X generation, is 1965 until 1980. Number 8. Impact of population increase. Population growth that continues the increase will have a negative impact of the population itself, starting from environmental damage, decreasing land, to increasing employment. Many migrate to Bali, which is well known as national and more to tourism. Number 9. Many migrate to Bali. It is an attraction for outsiders, both for tourism, opening business, else, and looking for work. This has an impact on the demands for using needs both in a short period of time and within a certain period and long term. Number 10. The positive impact of large population. The development of the population economy, the diversity of livelihoods, and a sense of unity that is increasingly otherwise. Bali Province profile. The area with the official name Bali Province is an autonomous region with a capital city located in Denpasar. The basis for the formation of the province of Bali was Law Number 64 of 1958 concerning the establishment of the Level 1 region of Bali, West Nusa Tenggara and East Nusa Tenggara. Since its establishment, the anniversary of the province of Bali was set on August 14, 1958. The first governor of the province of Bali was Anak Agung Bagus Suteja. While the current governor is a Wayan Koster, the motto of the province of Bali is Bali Dwipa Jaya, which is listed on the regional symbol of province of Bali with the meaning glory to the island of Bali, while the number plate for the province of Bali is Deka. Landmark of the province of Bali include Kuta Beach, Luwatu Agung Temple, Besakih Temple, and Tanah Lot. Discussion: very high population growth will have a negative impact on Bali in various aspects of life and development, namely economic aspect, provision of employment opportunities, infrastructure, school, health, roads, housing, clean water, land conversion, crime and social problems. Other besides that, the growth is high between districts or cities is also very wide. This is due to the economic center in the southern part of Bali. Increase, increased population migration in Bali as a result of various factors including income disparity between the region of origin compared to the area of Bali in terms of the regional minimum wage (UMR). The high growth of development in the Bali area compared to the area of origin, the rate of economic growth in the Bali region is higher, so the job opportunities are more abundant and the area of origin follow their peers because they work in the Bali area. How to deal with population growth? Number one, reduction of population growth. One way that has been done by the Indonesian government is to implement the family planning program. Number two, improving equitable development. Number three, create job opportunities in sparsely populated areas. Number four, undertake a transmigration program. Number five, implement nutrition improvement program, one of which is through Posyandu. Number six, complete health facilities and infrastructure. One way is to build puskesmas and hospitals. Number seven, provision of clean water. Number eight, increase the number of schools from elementary to university school or level. Conclusion: birth, death, and immigration contribute to the rate of population growth in the province Bali. Maternal and infant mortality rates, especially Buleleng and Karangasem district, the existence of institutional decentralization, and the field of family planning, and there are still limited number and knowledge about the vision and mission of family planning. Okay, thank you.